Have you ever been adversely mentioned in any integrity-related report?
Not that I know of.
Do you hold any leadership position in any political party? In your self-declaration, you say you are the deputy party leader of Orange Democratic Party.
That I resigned. I remain only a member of the party. I don't hold any leadership position.
What is your net worth?
My net worth is, let me just be sure. Where is that document? Where is it?
Is on pay. Your assistant should be assisting you on this.
I'll just use this one. I found it. Okay. Mr. Speaker, my net worth is 2,361,332,249.
And one of the things that I'll do is work closely with the county governments and also with the national government system to go to the village-based system, not only for identifying the people who deserve the Inua Jamii funds, but also to collect data of the ones who exit, but also on the payment module. Why should I spend 300 shillings to travel to get my money or to the nearest M-Pesa place, because some of these old people don't have the M-Pesa monies, and then travel back, with the same money. So I'm going to find a system of getting the money to the people at their doorstep, more or less, in a progressive manner. As you know, we already have about close to 1.8 people in the system, and looking at how we can get
1.8 million or 1.8 people?
1.8 million beneficiaries, people, and we want to move it to, according to what has been discussed in the cabinet I served in, close to 2.5, and continue to onboard them. But I'm also concerned, Mr. Speaker, about the classification of people who are suffering from various disabilities, because the monies don't go to the disabled person, they go to the household. And so you find that many disabled people fall through the cracks. If you've got one or two members of a family, then that becomes one unit. And furthermore, the disabled even have at times higher challenges than the abled. And we may need to be fair in this country and see what we can do to give them slightly more money compared to what we have. Initially, everything was pegged on the US dollar. It was supposed to be $20, but with how the economy has grown now, they are getting 12 to 15 US dollars, not the original 20 that was thought of when you look at the inflation and the changes that are there.